Parabola construction method 3. Let's now move on to the offset method to construct the parabola, having a base of 150 mm and an axis of 90 mm. First, draw the base AB and the axis CD with the specified lengths, ensuring they intersect at right angles and that CD bisects AB. Next, use these base and axis to construct a rectangle ABEF, where the width and height correspond to the base and axis respectively. Now, divide FD into equal parts, for example, 4, and mark the points accordingly, as shown. Then, using the same division length, mark corresponding points along ED. Similarly, divide FA into 16 equal parts, as this is the square of the number of divisions made on the FD, and mark the points accordingly, as shown. Then, using these same division lengths, mark corresponding points along EB. After that, draw connecting lines to the marked points along the two opposite vertical sides of the rectangle. Then, from marked points along the horizontal sides, draw vertical lines to intersect the previously drawn lines. Finally, connect all the intersection points with a smooth, continuous curve to complete the required parabola. The offset method's systematic grid makes it highly effective for precise constructions in technical and architectural contexts. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more.